Drama beat.
What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat.
Bell, bell, baby, I be's the man. Rock DC's, homie, fuck the vans. Nigga got beef, right here I stand. Crush a motherfucker like aluminum cans. Take you to the spot, then cash you in. Chunky boys the best, run and tell a friend. Don't be surprised if they already know. You seen the show, big black ink for show. Got a little fame now, watch it grow. Girl on my dick, better watch your hoe. Young Dro said, make her shoulder lean. Hit the right spot, now she on my team. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. He laid the track, I provide the heat. Hard to find a big nigga fly as me. So open up your eyes and recognize the G.
What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat.
Drama on the beat, you know that from the hook. We in the studio, no competition is shook. When it come to hustling, I go by the book. Chestnut checkers, I'm a king, you a rook. Play the background, now it's time to shine. On the track now, plus I'm on the grind. It is what it is, so we do what we do. They had no clue till your boy got in the booth. Now we got MySpace blowing up. So many record labels on my nuts. Get crunk in the club, bottles popping. Got drunk in the club, models jocking. Haters all around, but they know the deal. Still visit the hood, so you know I'm real. Bump UGK, so you know I'm trill. Now what is that sound coming down from the hills?
What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat.
Step up in the club like my shit don't stink. It's the CEO, bitch, big black ink. Back on the scene with that major green. Got hot meat for all the fiends. Double B's, bitch, from my head to my toe. Rapping for the fat niggas, now you know. Fat Joe, 8-ball rep for show. Going by the whole damn grocery store. Come in weighing about 4 and change. Like a 22's on an all-black range. 400K in about 2 months. I smoke out the pipe, bitch, fuck the blunts.
What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat.
With beats like this, girl, you know I win. Furnished by my nigga from the OH10. Chunky boys, baby, back in the booth. Got more nuts than a baby Ruth. Extra nuts, spies on my face, Uno's on my feet. 400 pounds never looked so sweet. All you little girls can't handle my meat. I'm the overweight little John. Skeet, 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 bitch.
What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat. Drama beat. What's that sound? It's a drama beat.